Alright, I know this is going to be hard to see, but I'm going to take this mud flap, line it up exactly where I want it, and use a Sharpie to mark a line up here. And it's going to be in black, so even after I put this on there, if it's showing, you'll barely see it. I have the fitment set up on the car already, so it's as low basically as it's going to be. I think right about there looks perfect. One thing you want to make note of to get the fitment from the front to the back the same is the distance off the ground as well. So either measure it or just use a, something that'll fit just under it, and then do the same on the front. Alright, now that we have our mark, just line her up like that. Take a self-tapping screw. I like to start at the top because then if you're off a little, you can adjust it right there. Which I believe we're spot on. So now we're going to do a lower one. Well, I'd say that's good. Obviously, if you need to, you can chop the excess off. Just do it at an angle so that the full bottom piece is still there. But that about wraps it up. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna put the wheels back on and drop down this side and show you guys how it looks. Well, that about wraps it up for the mud flap install. Super simple. Some people are a little worried about buying the universal mud flaps from Rally Armors, but they are about $100 cheaper than the other ones. And if you have a couple tools and very minor skills, you can make them fit like they're supposed to. So, all right, guys, comment below if you guys have any questions, and see you in the next one.